Hi guys, my name is Errol. I am with Equipment Gateway. Welcome to SEMA 2019. If you haven't come out and seen our product, we have a great product out here. We want everyone to come by and take a look. If not this year, next year, you can always find us online, equipmentgateway.com. This here is our steel dent pulling system. It's called the Miracle System. It is made in Japan, along with all of their other products, which we're going to go down the line in a few minutes and show you. Right now we have Iwao, who is from Japan. Iwao is going to go ahead and show you a little demonstration with one of our tools from the Miracle System called the Easy Puller. So if you take a look at the Easy Puller, he's going to go ahead and do some work here on the panel. You can take a look, that actually welds right onto the panel, and then he's going to go ahead and lift, do a pull, and you work with the Easy Puller from the outside, working your way on the inside. If you also take a look at our Easy Puller, you can see there's a frame here. This frame there's 6 different frames, and then you have 2 single side frames for working down the side. The frames come in different sizes and shapes for different parts of the vehicle, okay? So if you take a look as well, we're going to come back here with you in a few minutes, and we're going to go show you another tool, which is a pulling tool. The Easy Puller was a finishing tool. We're going to show you a pulling tool. But before we do that, we're going to move down here, and we're going to show you a couple other tools that come along with the Miracle System. We also have the Miracle System Aluminum. So you are able to actually do aluminum repair with the Miracle System. One of the great features of our systems is that our systems come with 2 separate welders, one being steel, one being aluminum. So you can do your work in separate bays. However, all of the tools are compatible with both systems. We also have over here, real quick, we have our Aero Power. This is a 5¼ ton push-pull system. This system is also compatible with all of the Miracle System, as well, made by Star. And this is an amazing system, runs strictly on air. We're going to come on back over here, and we're going to see Iwao, and he's going to show us how to weld on these keys, and we're going to go through one of our pulling tools called the Strong Puller. So Iwao is here. Here is our keys, and we're going to place the key inside. If you take a look, once you apply this to the panel, there's no trigger. It automatically just welds right on. And we're going to go ahead and put a few keys on there. If you take a look at what Iwao's doing, you can also see he's adjusting the dials. The machine is set inside according to the dials on the front, so that it automatically welds according to what tool and what application you're using. So we're just going to put a few keys on here. We also have 2 types of keys. We have a twisted key, we have a straight key. We place a rod through here. Twisted keys are typically for any kind of lines. So any press lines, that's what you'd use. So you could dolly from the outside, and you could do it all right from the outside of the panel and get real close to those keys when you're pulling. This is called a strong puller. A strong puller is typically designed for high strength steel areas. You're going to use it in areas like your rocker panel, dog leg. So we're using this door panel here as an example. You simply hook it in. Always start your pull at a 45-degree angle. Never anything more, because you're going to pull the keys if you do so. We're going to go ahead and give it a pull. You can see how easy this comes in. One of the features of our strong puller is it also has a locking mechanism. So you can work on the panel while this is being held under tension. Okay? All your tension is controlled by this center shaft here. Guys, thanks for coming by and visiting us. Once again, we are the Miracle System, run by Equipment Gateway. Please visit our website, www.equipmentgateway.com. My name is Errol. This is Iwao. Thanks again for coming by. Enjoy the show.